Hey everybody, happy holidays from all of us here at IPD.
Merry Christmas to everybody that calls in and has a nice conversations with us each day. We appreciate you and we hope you have a happy holiday.
Cheers to a Happy New Year and a very Merry Christmas.
สบายดีสุขสันต์สิ้นโชคดีปีใหม่ Happy New Year Merry Christmas
Happy holidays from Eileen at IPD.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays from Alex at IPD.
Happy holidays from Paul at IPD.
Happy holidays from Michael at IPD.
What's up, Bones?
Happy holidays from Ken at IPD.
Happy holidays from IPD.
And for all you single ladies, check my Instagram. You should drift into my DMs.
Happy holidays from IPD.
Hey guys, happy holidays from Max.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays from Megan in marketing.
I just want to wish all you guys a happy holidays from the warehouse crew here at IPD. Really appreciate you guys keeping us busy this year. Really appreciate it. Keep at it. We look forward to next year.
Hey everybody, Chris here with IPD, and on behalf of everybody here at the company, we just want to say thank you for all your support. We've created a lot of new friendships and relationships this year with new customers, but we also want to thank everybody, all of our old friends and old customers, for really supporting us here this year. It's been a crazy year for sure. Our goal is to keep all of our employees safe and our customers, and we're going to continue to do so into an amazing 2021. There's a lot to be thankful for, and we just really appreciate everybody who helped us out this year. So we wish you a happy holiday.